As you can see, there's 3 headrests on the seat back. That requires to take it off first before we do the install. There's seat release on the seat. Some are in the back, some are in the trunk. So this one is in the back, so I released it, then I take the headrest off. There's a button which I can push, so I can take the headrest off. The middle one has a button on this side. If you walk down to that way, depends on the cars. Like this one has a hole right over here. I need to use a pin or some kind of tool to take the headrest off. You see there's a hole here. You need to push the pin, push it, and take the headrest off. Same thing on this one. Now all 3 headrests are out and the seat are put all the way. We're ready to do the install. Seat belt. This works on split bench or full bench. So we gotta fit through it. Go over the seat belt so this way you can use the seat belt. Once it goes through the seat belt, now we need to do the strapping. It's the same concept as the bottom seat. There's straps under. We need to tuck in between the seat. Tuck in between the seat. And there's top, we need a strap, need to go behind. And go behind here. And try to fold the seat down and try can reach where the strap is. On my first one, trying to buckle them up. Try to tighten it a little bit. Try to find the second one. Hold on, wait. We need to cut. So I have 3 buckled, adjust through the seat back and fit in between, connect with the strap right here, buckle it up, buckle it up. Right here, same thing. I buckled it and I make it tight. And now there's another one we need to buckle it from here. See the strap right here? We need to fit in through the middle and try to look for it in the seat back. And try to buckle them together. Whatever extra material, you will need to tuck it in to the seat. Same thing on here. I'm gonna bucket up. Just remember, this particular cars has a extra piece wrap on the back of the seat. We're gonna do the back side horizontally connect. We're gonna connect this cross with the bottom one and gently put them all the way. I'm gonna put the middle one with the middle one. And put the bottom one with the top one. Or whatever extra material we can fold in the back, that depends on the size of the seat. And we can try to work around with it. Work around with it. Again. It looks weird. I gotta play around a little bit, then you can shoot the install video. Now we have all the strap on to the back, tight and snug. We just need to push some of the extra material to the side, to the back, to the side, make it snug. And then our last step is going to do the opening for the headrest. Opening for the headrest. You want to zoom in for the opening for the headrest? So first we need to locate where the headrest post is. With your finger you can kind of feel where the hole is. Where the hole is. And simply do a X cut. And can gently push down the opening under the plastic. This is the first opening for the headrest. So we're going to locate the second one and then do an X cut. Push it down. They are wrong. Here's the opening for the headrest. Cut. Okay. This is a shower cap style. It might be a little bigger than your regular seat headrest, but it will do the work. So basically, it's like a glove. Just go through it, and whatever the extra material you can fold it in, kind of push onto the headrest. It's big. Oh, this is a generic. This one's going to be funny. It even fit. You see that?
Yeah. Good job.
This is.
And there's the final install.
I think you can do a photo shoot on it too with the camera. I can do